Hey guys! I'm finally back to vlogging after 2 or 3 long years. I don't even know. I lost count. I've been struggling with really bad body image issues and my insecurities were getting the best of me. I was so scared to show the world what was really happening behind the camera. Life happened and I had to focus on things that mattered the most, including work, which in return caused me so much stress, making my overall health suffer. I gained so much weight, started to suffer from a really bad breakout, still healing up to this day, which I'm not really used to, and had a hard time adjusting to my schedule. I decided to stop creating contents because I was so scared of being judged. I didn't want to hear people I know pointing out my situation because I myself knew what was happening. The internet is a really scary space, but I guess it's scarier when the people involved are those you personally know. But then, I realized no one should have full control over me other than myself. So I took my time, slowly learned how to accept and start loving myself again. Still in the process, and that's okay. And remembered, I started vlogging to express myself, to make memories, to inspire people, and to show the realities of life. So here I am. And I would be really glad and grateful if you can join me in this journey.
Hey guys, this is Ren and so I'm finally back to vlogging. Yes, I'm using my camera right here to vlog again. Noong nakaraan pa ako nag-vlog actually, kaso mini vlog lang yun, like sa phone ko lang nire-record. But now, we're back to using the camera kasi somehow nag-gain back ko na yung spark ko na nawala a year ago or 2 years ago. I don't even know kailan ako last nag-vlog. But yeah, today is March 29. 29 na kasi 1 a.m. na. Pero kanina is March 28, Thursday. So ngayon ay Friday na. And super nainis ako kasi kanina I was doing my laundry and hindi ako natapos kasi in the middle of the laundry, like yung washing, nasa wash mode pa siya. As in, sinasabon niya pa lang yung damit. Mag-rinse na sana, biglang nawala ng tubig. And hanggang ngayon, 1 a.m., wala pa rin kaming tubig. And sobrang nakaka-bad trip talaga kasi I was supposed to leave at 4 a.m. like right after my work. Kasi pupunta ako sa best friend ko. But seems like I can't do that now kasi nga walang tubig, hindi ako makakaligo, hindi ako natapos sa chores ko. So I have to finish that first before leaving the house. Kasi I'll be staying there for a week or God knows how long, baka mag-extend, di natin alam. Kasi we haven't seen each other for 7 years. And yung isang bestie naman na imi-meet ko, si Jerstin. Hi Jers, if you're watching. We haven't seen each other for a decade. Yeah, I think we last saw each other. No, actually, a decade and 3 years. Kasi we last saw each other 2011 pa. And it's now 2024. So 11 years old pa yung huli namin kita. And we're now 24. She's 23 pala. Kasi kaka-birthday niya last week. But anyway, ayun nga. Nakakainis kasi nga I was supposed to leave at 4 a.m. right after my work. Para mga 7 a.m. or mga 8 a.m. nandun na ako. Kasi hindi ko kabisado yung traffic dahil Good Friday na ngayon. Baka madaming biyahera, ganyan. Pero, hindi ko yun magagawa. Feeling ko makakaalis ako dito 5 a.m. na or 6 a.m. Tapos dadating ako sa place ng best friend ko siguro mga 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Worst is 11 a.m. kung abutan ako ng traffic. Kung may traffic man. Pero I think wala naman. I doubt kasi paluwas naman ako. Hindi naman ako papuntang probinsya. And ang madaming biyahe talaga is yung papuntang probinsya. If nakita niyo yung meme sa Facebook, maluwag na yung EDSA. Kasi sabi nila lahat nasa Zambales na. And that's where I'm going right now. Kasi yung ticket na nabili ko, paluwas, is from Olongapo pa na ticket. So, I have to go to Olongapo from Bataan. If di nyo alam Manila, Bataan, tas Olongapo. So, from Bataan, I have to go to Olongapo and then ride the bus to Manila. So, dadaan ko ulit yung Bataan pabalik. Anyway, yun lang naman. Ang agenda natin for today is mag-impake kasi I still haven't packed my things yet and it's 1 a.m. Tapos na ako sa task ko sa work. So, that's what we're gonna do now. Kunin ko yung luggage ko sa labas, tapos yung mga damit ko. And I'll pack what I can. Yan. So, sa mga oras na to, dapat talaga magpapahinga na lang ako and wala na akong ginagawa. But you know, life happens and nagkakaroon talaga ng delays. Ito ako ngayon, mag-i-impake pa lang. So, join me as I pack my things to Manila. Akala mo naman sobrang layo na pupuntahan, naka-luggage pa. Pero kasi guys, bumili na talaga ako ng luggage dahil mapadalas yung punta ko sa Manila this year. And ako na yung naawa sa sarili ko dahil yung Jansport lang yung dala ko. Nasabi ko na ito sa TikTok, pero just in case di kayo nanonood ng TikTok ko din. Ayan, sinabi ko ulit dito ngayon. Unahin ko na yung mga pangalis here. Tapos dito yung mga pambahay and electronics. Kasi may ano dito, may parang ito oh. Yung handlebar niya. So, may parang hindi siya flat. So, dyan ko nilalagay yung electronics, like yung plancha, nakasiksik dyan. Ganun. Okay, so I'm done packing my things and ayan na sila. And it's currently 4:30 a.m. Hindi pa ako nakakaalis. Hindi pa rin ako nakakabihis. Pero ready na yung pangbihis ko. Ayan. Dahil wala pa rin tubig. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras magkakaroon. Feel ko maghihintay ako mga hanggang 6 a.m. siguro. Pag 6 a.m. wala pa rin, aalis na ako. So yan, idlip muna ako sa kabilang kwarto. Update ko kayo later. I don't know if nakafocus ako, but I'm now preparing to leave the house. Nakabihis na ako. This is my outfit. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung kalat na nasa likod and nandito sa gilid. Pero here's my outfit. Wide leg rip pants lang. Favorite pants ko actually kasi super comfy nitong suotin. Tapos sa loob is, hindi ko alam, spaghetti strap na top na padded. But still, nagsuot ako ng something sa loob kahit padded siya. Kasi hindi ako kontento. Tapos, ito lang, crop jacket. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you later. Tignan natin kung madaming tao sa terminal ng Olongapo. This is honestly not what I had expected. Pero wait, tignan nyo muna yung pawis ko. Pawis na pawis ako kasi binitbit ko yung maleta ko tsaka bumili ako ng food na di pa ako makain. Pero anyway, ito yung sinasabi kong hindi ko yun na-expect kasi ako lang mag-isa dito sa bus. Literal walang tao. Siguro kasi paluwas ako and Good Friday ngayon. Kasi expect ko kaya gusto ko maaga bumiyahe. Madaming tao, madami akong kasabay. Ayan yung food ko. Even sa harap ko, walang tao. hindi din po napuno yung bus.
Pag-uwihan po yan. Marami.
Ayun, kaya nga po.
Saan po kayo galing?
Sa Sambales po.
Ano ba?
Ako na taga dun, ako'y lumuwas.
Taga rito sa Manila, siya pumunta ng
Opo.
probinsya. Sana nga laging ganito.
Parang hindi EDSA. Kita ko na siya. Nandiyan mo ako sa gilid pinaano. Nabigod sa iyo. Oh my God! Ano bakit? Sabi ko dire-diretso lang. Ay, hindi mo sinabi na tatawid. Ayan na lang sa'yo. Magwa-vlog ka ba? Kasi hindi kaya nakita.